Hello everyone. Today we discuss a new chapter, magnetic effects of electric current. Full chapter explained by the animation. Our first topic is magnetic effect. When electric current flow through a conductor, it produces a magnetic field around it. This phenomena is called the magnetic effect of electric current. Definition of magnetic field: the region around a magnet or current carrying conductor where magnetic force is felt is called magnetic field. Move to next slide. Magnetic field due to straight conductor. This diagram is most important and basically in previous exam diagram asked many times. So you used to draw the diagram. Magnetic field depends on magnitude of the current and distance from the conductor. Magnetic field due to bar magnet. You also use to draw the diagram of this, and magnetic field depends on of bar magnet near point, that means near pole strong magnetic field, and far from the magnet weak field. Our next topic is magnetic field due to coil. This is diagram to show the magnetic field of coil, and magnetic field depends on current flowing through the coil, next number of turns of the coils, and third radius of the coil. Our next topic is magnetic field due to solenoid. This is most important diagram, and inside the coil magnetic field is uniform. Next, right hand thumb rule, most important topic in this chapter. If a straight conductor is held in the right hand such that the thumb points the direction of current, then the curling of the fingers gives the direction of the magnetic field lines around the conductor. So this is the direction of the electric current, and curling fingers indicate the direction of magnetic field. Next, flaming left hand rule, most important. If the thumb, forefinger, and middle finger of the left hand are stretched mutually perpendicular to each other such that forefinger forefinger indicates magnetic field and central finger indicates current and thumb indicates force and moment. Next, domestic electric circuit. In this electric circuit, we indicate the important part of this diagram like that: earth wire, live wire, and neutral wire. Electrical meter, electricity board, that means fuse, we also use in this section, and distribution box. So important point of this diagram: live wire. Live wire indicates red, brown, also called high potential. Neutral wire, black, blue, and zero potential. Earth wire always used green color. Safety wire. Electric fuse. Electric fuse means safety device. Made of thin wire with low melting point. Important point. Low melting point breaks circuit during the overload or short circuit. And other safety device we will use MCB. Next, what is short circuit? Occur when the live and neutral wire come in direct contact, causing higher current and heating. एडवांटेज ऑफ एसी ओवर डीसी. एसी के एडवांटेज क्या होते हैं? एसी कैन बी ट्रांसमिटेड ओवर लॉन्ग डिस्टेंसेस. लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस तक हम इसको यूज कर सकते हैं. लेस पावर लॉसेस. इजी टू चेंज voltage using transformer. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more videos.